Now, applying to be a Temu seller, it's pretty much a straight up process. Now, first things first, what you gotta do is you actually have to, the easiest way, obviously, is to email seller@temu.com. Basically, email this and basically apply to be a seller, and you will get an invite code. These other ways don't really seem trustworthy, in my at least opinion, but the best one is to basically reach them out in this email. Now, after you've done that, you should get your invite code. And then what you want to do is you basically have to submit the all necessary documents, which may include your ID, business license, tax registration certificate, and so on. After you've filled out your necessary documents, you basically need to fill out your store details as well. And you basically should do this after you receive your code, obviously. So just basically fill out everything that's necessary. It's pretty straight up process as well. And basically now you have to do is wait for approval, and it might take like 3 days to complete, and basically not that long. And after you've done that, you should be basically approved to sell on Temu. And the final step, what you gotta do is basically link your bank account to actually withdraw the funds that you make from Temu app. So yeah, pretty much that's how it is.